This is Nat from Artnovion. In this video we're going to be showing how to install our corner bass straps. So this is a very simple product to install. With each of our bass straps we supply an MDF template which marks out the screw positions. So the only thing to note is there are two sides to this template. There is one that is marked right side wall and the other left side wall. So we'll start off by marking off the left side wall. So say I want to install my panel in this corner. So you push the template to the corner and then mark off 4 holes. So that's one side, and then let's mark off the right hand wall. So the same thing, push this into the corner at the same height, like so, and mark off these 4 holes. Okay. So I can show you the bass strap here. On the back of the bass strap you have 4 cleats, 2 on each side. What we're going to do is we're going to screw 2 cleats into each small side and the bass strap simply rests on those. So I'm going to now screw these in to the wall, 2 on each side. So I'll start off here. So, actual piece is more or less level. 2. And then same below. Make sure the parts are level again. 2. So now install the cleats on the opposite side of the wall. So in the corresponding places on this side. That's the first one. Make sure it's more or less level. And then the lower cleat, exactly the same position below. Now all we have to do is lower the bass strap onto the cleats. So start from above, let it drop slightly until it rests on the cleats. So the corner bass strap is now installed. The corner bass strap is a tunable product, so we can tune its peak efficiency in between 60 and 80 Hz. And we do this by modifying the configuration of the weights on the membrane. So as the product is shipped, it's tuned to 60 Hz. Let's say we wanted to tune it to work more in the 64 Hz range. You can see the guide on the front of the product, and you can see which configuration you need to use to tune it to that frequency. So if you can see, we want to work at 65 Hz, let's say. So we would move this way. Screw that. Now it's very important that when you remove a weight from the bass strap, that you replace the screw. And this makes sure that the interior air volume is airtight. So screw has a small bubble washer on the top, and we want to replace this where we remove that weight. So there we go. So the bass strap is now tuned to the frequency we need. So after this, all you need to do is to pick up the front. This is a vector bass strap. And this lines into the holes behind, and that just pushes in place very easily. So there you have it, that's our corner bass strap. So for more technical information about this bass strap and installation guides, please check out our website.